Hello everyone, thanks so much for tuning in. For today's Wix tutorial, we're going to talk about copying and pasting elements and pages between sites on Wix. So let's get started. Fortunately, Wix allows us to copy and paste content between Wix sites. Let's talk about them one by one. Number 1, copying and pasting elements to another Wix site. The first thing you need to do is, of course, go to the site where you'd like to copy um, your element from. Next, select the element you want to copy. If there are several of them, select them all at once by highlighting them or by clicking on the first element, holding Shift on your keyboard, and then clicking on another element until you finish selecting all the elements that you want to copy. Next, press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard to copy your elements. Go to the other Wix site where you'd like to paste your element or elements to. To simply paste, press Ctrl plus V. And there you go. I'm just going to arrange that over here. But say, for example, you'd also like to paste and apply the site theme, you can instead do a right-click and then from the drop-down, select Paste and Apply Site Theme. Choosing this option will allow you to paste your elements, and not only that, but also the site theme from the other Wix site. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to also copy this. So Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V. And there we go. Just a reminder, by the way, here are some things you cannot copy and paste from one Wix site to another. Third-party apps, code in Velo, headers and footers, Wix apps such as Wix Stores, Wix Bookings, Wix Restaurants, etc., datasets and collections, code on elements and pages, and the Wix Pro Gallery. Let's go to number 2, copying and pasting a page to another Wix site. Before we talk about how to do it, let's first see the things we cannot copy. We cannot copy anchors, links, folders, lightboxes, or router pages. We cannot copy pages from third-party apps and Wix apps such as Wix Stores, Wix Bookings, Wix Restaurants, etc. And with that out of the way, let's see how we can copy and paste a page to another Wix site. Click on the Side Pages and Menu button on the sidebar. Go to the page you want to copy. For example, this About page. Just an example. Right-click and select Copy. Go to the other site where you'd like to paste your page to. To paste, simply right-click anywhere on your screen and select Paste. If you want to apply the other site's site theme as well, then choose Paste and Apply Site Theme. But I'm just going to choose Paste in this case. You'll be able to see your copied page on your Site Pages and Menu panel, which will automatically appear. It will also automatically ask you what you'd like to name your new page or new copied page here. So I'm just going to name it Copied Page. An example, but of course you can name it in a much better way than I did here. And then once you're done renaming your page, click on Done. Once you're done, you can close this panel and click on the Save button on the upper right. If you're also ready to publish your changes, then you can go ahead and click on Publish To. And that's all for now. We hope you found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.